Hey Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to draw a doodle, because doodling is good for you, so get Shooby Doodling! And then I'm going to kind of populate it with a sine curve that goes through it. It's not really a sine curve, is it? I'm just making that up. And then I'm going to put circles in the middle. I think the thing about doodles is it's kind of repetition. And, well, it doesn't have to be, but that's one of the things. And why am I doing this now? Well, I get more and more interested in the whole idea of creativity. I'm going to put little eyeballs in here, in each one. And creativity, yeah, I don't think we have time for it anymore. Certainly it's not taught anymore in schools. They're not given any time in schools for creativity. And once upon a time, we used to have telephones plugged into the wall, usually in a freezing cold hallway. And if you made a telephone call, that's where you would sit. And next to the telephone was a little telephone table, and on it was the phone directory and a little pad of paper and a biro. And so people would get into conversation without knowing it. They would start doodling, and if you looked at a telephone table, you would find it was full of, or rather you'd find the directories and the pads were full of doodles, and you won't find that anymore. And people don't have time because they've got mobile phones, they're talking, they're walking as they talk, and they don't have those kind of leisured conversations like I suppose they used to have before. And I think they're really important, those kind of little conversations, and there's this time to just doodle. And what happens, there's a magical thing happens, is when you're doodling, when you really get into the flow and you're just doodling away and thinking, oh, I'll add this and I'll add that, and I'll just do this bit here and I'll just do that bit there. You kind of get into the flow, and the right side of your brain takes over. And normally all day long we've got this left side of your brain just going nag, 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 nag. Wanted to get everything in order, got to get there on time, got to meet deadlines, blah, blah, blah. Our whole world has become dominated by left brain thinkers. And the creativity all comes from the right side of the brain. You need the left hand to kind of put it all in order in the end, but the creativity comes from the right side of the brain. And when you doodle and you just think, I'm going to just add these little marks here, then your right brain, you can hear it in my voice, I'm slowing down. The right side of your brain starts to take over, and the left side of the brain, the nagging one, starts to calm down and shuts down eventually. And when you allow the right side of your brain to take over and become dominant, that's when creative ideas come out. And they come out from who knows where. And I have lots of theories about where creative ideas come from. Some people might think I'm a little crazy, but I know that if I want to get to that point, I have to kind of get into the zone and allow the left brain, the right brain, to start taking over. So basically, I just felt kind of moved to make this little doodle and make this little video and post it. If you would like to see more illustration videos by Shoo Rayner, subscribe to this channel on YouTube right now. For more insights into Shoo's life as an author and illustrator, join him on Patreon. In the meantime, keep
drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.